Welcome to the official tutorial for Telegram Sender, the powerful bulk messaging tool that helps you reach thousands of Telegram users in just a few clicks. In this video, we'll walk you through scraping members from a group, composing your message, using AI protection, and confirming successful delivery inside Telegram. Let's get started. Let's start by scraping members from a public Telegram group or channel. Paste the group or channel link into the input box. You can choose whether or not to include group admins. We recommend excluding them for better targeting. Once ready, click Next to proceed. Telegram Sender instantly detects group details, including name, type, subscriber count, and username. In this example, we've selected a channel called Quotex Trading with over 2 million members. Click here to scrape members to begin collecting user data. As the scraping progresses, you'll see Telegram user IDs populate in real time. Each ID represents a potential lead for your campaign. Telegram Sender organizes these results neatly, ready to be exported as a CSV file. Once the list is exported, open the CSV file to view the raw user IDs. Each line contains a Telegram user ready to receive your message. This file is used in the next step, the bulk sender. Now it's time to create your message. Type your promotional content into the message box. Upload the CSV file containing Telegram user IDs. You can choose to remove inactive users for a cleaner audience. Click Next to move forward. Telegram Sender automatically filters out bots and inactive users. This ensures your message reaches only active Telegram members, increasing the chances of engagement and delivery. Before sending begins, you can customize settings, adjust the interval between messages, enable multiple accounts, and turn on the AI content rewriter. This smart feature rewrites each message slightly, preventing duplicates and helping avoid Telegram spam detection. Click Start Sending Messages when you're ready. To send messages, log in with your Telegram account via our integrated bot. Click Log in with Telegram. You can also add multiple accounts if you're running a high-volume campaign. Once logged in, the message sending process begins. After sending starts, you'll see live status updates. Green rows show successful deliveries, while red ones show any that failed. This transparent dashboard helps you monitor message performance at a glance. You can verify all sent messages directly inside Telegram. As shown here, each message was successfully delivered to its respective recipient with visible timestamps and checkmarks. This confirms your campaign is reaching real users. To get started, visit telegramsender.com and download the software now. If you need help, email us anytime at support@telegramsender.com.